Codex code review is industry gold standard. Our engineers ask for it by name. We've been relying on it for a long time here at Ramp. I'm Austin Ray. I lead the AI DevX team at Ramp, and this is what Codex unlocks. The current project I'm working on is On-Call Assistant, an AI-driven on-call helper to take most of the burden off of our engineers. Codex is a really solid harness for AI in agent form to help you solve complex problems and do software engineering. And I've found that uniquely, Codex with GPT 5.4 is incredibly adept at dealing with complexity in a way that would take me a ton of mental effort, a lot of sleep, and a lot of single-minded focus. But Codex with GPT 5.4 just sort of handles it like it's nothing. At Ramp, engineers used to wait hours for a first review. Now, Codex gives them substantive feedback in minutes.